Well, I'm out on a ride, and I noticed we had some serious waves. It just really tore Doheny Park up. And I'm looking at all this damage. A lot of damage, actually. The whole park is closed. It's closed. You can't get in. Then I noticed some terrible snow. And I'm like, what is that snow? And I see this fatty sea lion. I don't think anybody's noticed it yet. The smell, I mean, of course you can't smell it, but it smells really bad. He's loaded. So yeah, poor thing. Folks died from normal causes now, including toxic stuff. But yeah, it's totally closed for vehicles. Pedestrians can get around it. But yeah, it's really torn up over there. Really tore up. Got some big waves. Oh, the smell. Gotta go.